Now, let's dive into the demo. Let's explore the borrowing page and see what pools we can access. As you can see, there are multiple pools available across different chains. Let's go ahead and create a new pool. To create a pool, you'll need to connect your wallet first. Just click the button at the top. Here's the form. Step 1 is selecting a chain, and for this demo, I'll go with Avalanche Fuji. For step 2, I'm choosing Azuki as the collateral and USDC as the loan asset. Next, we move to step 3, where you can select the IRM and the Oracle. Now moving on to step 4, here, you can set the LTV and LTH. If you're unsure, just click the Learn More button. Now that the pool has been successfully created, let's go back to the borrowing page and check it out. You'll notice the total supplied is still at 0, so now, let's create a curator to start supplying to this pool. Here's the curator creation form. I'm selecting USDC on Avalanche Fuji, matching the pool we just created. For the curator, I'll use USDC Maxi as the name and USDCM as the symbol. Now let's move to step 2, where you can select one or more supported pools to supply the allocation. You can distribute the allocation across these pools, totaling 100%. Now that the curator is created, let's head over to the Earn page and check it out. Because I don't have any USDC on Avalanche Fuji yet, let's check out the faucet page. I noticed I have USDC on another chain, so let's go to the bridge page and bridge all of it to Avalanche Fuji. Now that we've bridged all our USDC from multiple chains, let's take a look at the history. As you can see, all the bridged USDC tokens are still pending. You can check the CCIP Explorer for more detailed progress. Once all bridging is complete, let's go back to the curator we created earlier to supply the USDC. After successfully supplying 10,000 USDC, let's take a look at the pool. The USDC has been distributed based on the allocation we set earlier. Now I want to borrow USDC using the Azuki NFT as collateral. We already created the pool for this earlier. Since I don't have an Azuki IP NFT yet, I'll go to the collect page to mint one. Now that we've successfully minted the NFT, let's head over to the dashboard and take a look. You can see the NFT has been successfully minted, but it's still on the Ethereum Sepolia chain. Let's bridge the NFT as well. Now that the NFT has been bridged successfully, let's go back to the pool, use it as collateral, and borrow some USDC. After completing the borrow process, we can now test the auction feature. Right now, there's no NFT in the auction because none have been liquidated. To trigger an auction, I'll set the NFT price below the LTH threshold. Now, I'll open the Oracle in the Explorer to update the NFT price. Now I'll update the price, from 6,000 USDC down to 1,000 USDC. Now that the update's done, let's head back to the Pixcross site and take a look at my position. You can see that my position is now marked as at risk. The IP NFT value has dropped below the LTH. Now, let's head over to the auction page. My IP NFT should be listed there. Now, let's check the auction details of my IP NFT and try placing a bid. Now I'm switching to another wallet so I can place a bid from a different account. After 24 hours, the highest bidder will receive the IP NFT as the auction winner. Now, I'll show you how my solver works to liquidate the IP NFT. Thanks so much for watching the Pixcross demo. See you next time.